Welcome to United by Trucks. Today, well, we're doing something a little bit special, a little different, something that you guys have asked for. We basically want to take and highlight your truck on the channel. So we're asking you to submit at most a 2-minute video. It can be a minute, it can be 30 seconds, but at most it needs to be a 2-minute video of a walk around on your truck. What's the drivetrain? What's the suspension? What are the plans for the truck? We want to know all about your truck in 2 minutes or less. All you got to do is take your iPhone, which let me find mine, and turn it this way so we can see in YouTube format, in the wide scale format, what your truck looks like. So take your phone from this way to this way, record your truck, send it to our email address, unitedbytrucks@gmail.com. 2 minutes or less on a walk around of your truck. We're gonna take a couple of those videos and compile them into videos each week, maybe every day, just depends on how well you guys respond, and put them up on the channel. So this is your chance to have your truck on the United by Trucks channel. We're all in this strange time, a little bit of quarantine time, so we wanna do what we can to help you be enthusiastic about your truck, get motivated about your truck, and we just want to highlight them on our channel so that other folks who watch UBT can see them. So yeah, we're really excited about this. So unitedbytrucks@gmail.com, send us your 2-minute or less walk around video of your truck and go. But before you do that, we've got a throwback video of an example of what a walk around looks like. And it's an old video of me doing a walk around on Teddy, probably the first 4 or 5 videos in on the channel, where I'm just showing you a little bit about my truck. I didn't know very much about what I was doing, but I did the best. So I want you to do the same. Send us your 2-minute or less video to unitedbytrucks@gmail.com, and I look forward to highlighting it on the channel. See ya. Okay guys, so I realize I've never actually given y'all a full preview of what the 68 GMC looks like. This is Teddy. I'll show you in a minute why we call him Teddy. I think you know. I think I've shown it in a previous video, but 68 GMC short bed, 503 light green, with plenty of rust still to be fixed, which we're going to be doing here pretty soon. As you can see, I still got my little girl seat in there, but really cool truck, a lot of cool patina. I'm gonna try to get this hood. So 5.3 LS out of a 2003 Suburban, 4L60E trans, no mods other than the air intake, but which is just a cheap eBay intake. Trailblazer SS manifolds, which the paint has already come off of. We did shave the firewall and get it set up for vintage air. So as you can see, we've got a filler plate there from Venata Fab. Power brakes, power disc brakes, because we've converted to 5-lug and put disc brakes up front. We got power steering. A new wiring harness for the most part. Still plenty of things we need to do to it, but we've, like I said, needs some rust repair. Probably going to paint the inside of the truck. It's got quite a bit of wear, but new seat cover, new dash pad, 3-point harness, seat belts there, amazingly clean bed floor. We did have to put a different tailgate on it. It is a GMC OEM tailgate, but we got the Boyd factory, or excuse me, the Boyd tank, underbed tank put in there, and sport bumpers all the way around, that sort of thing. So alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed that little throwback clip, and I hope you're really excited to send us your walk around video of your truck. It doesn't matter if it's stock, slammed, lifted, new, old, just send them our way. We want to check out what you've got in your driveway, carport, or garage. So if you haven't tuned into this channel before, please consider subscribing. We do all sorts of classic truck content, and we may even have some new truck content coming, so hope you guys will stay tuned for that, and definitely consider subscribing. Smash a thumbs up if you like this idea, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what kind of truck you're submitting in your 2-minute or less video to UBT. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll catch you next time right here on United by Trucks. Cue the music.